Although foldable phones have been around for a while, manufacturers have only recently begun to take this form factor more seriously. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 starts at $1,800, making it out of the reach of most consumers. According to sources quoted by the South Korean website Alake, Samsung may be preparing an entry-level Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant this year. Google claims that Samsung is thinking of creating a more affordable model of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to the report, this less expensive foldable might be on sale in the second half of 2024 with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Samsung may have taken this action to achieve some parity in the Chinese foldable smartphone market, where brands like Honor, a former Huawei subbrand, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have all released foldable smartphones. According to data from market research firm OMIA, Honor leads the pack in terms of foldable cost share in China, followed by Huawei and Samsung. Samsung's strategy may be to provide a gateway for people seeking a lower fold book-type fold, which could help the South Korean electronics juggernaut gain a foothold in the fiercely competitive smartphone market in China. Additionally, there's the clear possibility that consumers would choose the less expensive foldable book instead of spending $1,800 or more on the pricier one, which would have an impact on sales of the premium model. In any event, given that Samsung has previously denied rumors that it is entering the mid-range foldable smartphone market and the rapidity with which the industry is changing to reflect the evolving mobile environment, we must treat this report with a large grain of salt. We're going to hold out hope that a mid-range or less expensive foldable will eventually be released, as we've seen in a number of non-US markets. However, determining a price for this pitiful low-cost Z Fold would be difficult because Samsung currently sells the Galaxy Z Flip 5 for $1,000, albeit in a different form factor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.